Hello guys, how are you? I think you all will be fine at your home and practicing very hard for your examination. So guys, today I come for this for last session of the reasoning, and we are proceeding with dice. So today is the last session of the dice. Today we finish the whole dice chapter. Okay, so after this video you can solve any of the question from any of the examination. That is my guarantee. And in case if you find any difficulty, please comment below. Okay, so today we are going to start with the dice 4, and today we are going to do some special question. In earlier 3 part we discussed closed dice and open dice. For those who haven't seen those videos, first look at those videos, because those videos are very important. In those videos I covered the basic part, but here this is a totally new session which is combination of all 3 sessions. So first of all, take a look at those videos. Okay, so we are going to start with the first question here. This is your open dice, and these are not option, these are figures. 1 2 3 4, these are figures. Okay, your options are A, B, C, D. In this question I will tell you how to mark option also. In examination, if you encounter this type of question, in that student found difficulty in marking option also. So start with the question here. Here this is open dice, we know how to solve this. So we have to apply alternate method. Opposite to this is this, so opposite to this is this, and opposite to this is this. So opposite to this is this figure, and opposite to A is this figure. Okay, and this is marked blue, and this is marked yellow. This type of figure will form, and we solve the dice. Okay, now we have to apply elimination method. So for first figure, this figure is not possible in any way, because the figure we get is of this type. Here either blue on both sides or yellow. Okay, so this is wrong. This figure, there is possibility of this figure, because this shape is forming here. These two are blue, these two are blue, and these two are yellow, and these two are blank figure. But there is possibility that this blank figure might be these two individual. This may be these two also, but possibility of blank figure is there that these are from two individual. So we have two figure, this two blank figure. Okay, so possibility is there. In third option, we have A is here, means this figure is on opposite side. This is correct, and these are two blank figure. So there is possibility that these two blank figure might be this. So possibility is there. So this is also possible, and this figure I am drawing here for your convenience. This is and this is blank, so this never be possible. So second and third is correct. So our answer is 2 and 3 only. So our answer is none of these. Okay, because 2 and 3 is no option here. So our answer is none of these. Answer is D. Okay. Shall I move to next question? This is similar to previous one. Your options are A, B, C and D. Okay. Shall we move? First of all, we have to solve this dice. Opposite to this is this. Opposite to A is B. Oh, sorry. Opposite to this is this. Sorry. Opposite to this figure is this, and opposite to this figure is this, and opposite to A is B. Okay, this is our dice is solved. Now we have to apply elimination method in 4 figure. So A and B are opposite pair, so this is wrong. A and B are opposite pair, so this is wrong. A is here, means B is somewhere hiding behind, so this is possible, and these two blanks are possible because these two blanks might be this one, this two, or this two. Chances are there, no? Some possibility is there, so this is correct. And fourth figure I am drawing here for you. This is blank one, so this is wrong. So our answer is third one. Only 3 is correct. So our option is A. We are right. So move to next question. Question number 3. This is same as previous one. And your option are. So opposite to this is this figure. And opposite to this figure is this figure, and opposite to hash is at the rate. So opposite to dollar is blank figure, opposite to blank is this blank, and opposite to hash is at the rate. So our dice is solved. So we have to apply elimination method here. So alpha and hash at the rate and hash are opposite. At the rate and hash are opposite. This is also cancelled. At the rate is there, means hash is somewhere heading behind. So this is possible, and these two blanks are possible. As I told you in previous question also, this blank might be this one. Possibility is there. So this is correct, and this is dollar, and this is blank, so this is not possible, so this is wrong. So third is correct one. So our answer is A. Answer is A. So the fourth question is here, and we first time we are going to solve close dice into open one. This is the first question of this type. So the same, we know how to solve this. We studied in first lecture. 2 figures are there, so we have to find how many common. Only one common is there, 3. So rotate clockwise. 3 to 6 to 2, 3 to 4 to 1, and opposite to 3 is 5. You know, and these two are opposite. So while solving this, we have to check. This figure I am drawing here for your convenience. Okay. So opposite to 3 is 6, but it is not matching here, so this is wrong. Opposite to 2 is 4, it is also not matching. Opposite to 5 is 4, this is not matching with our result. Opposite to 3 is 5, yeah, and opposite to 6 is 4, this is also correct. Opposite to 2 is 1, so this option is correct one. Okay, if you check in examination, you can directly check. If you check these three, so you can, without checking, mark this as answer also, for saving your time, because it is time wait to check this, because you have already checked the 3, and if you are getting the first option as answer, so mark this and move on to next one, because there is no need to waste your time, because one answer is there correct and you get at a very first attempt. So let's check the answer. Answer is 1. This is similar to previous one. So friend, this is 2 figures are there, and here no common is there, but if number is there, we can apply standard and generalized concept, but here letters are there. So A, B, C, E, D, F. Opposite to A, B, C is D, F. We know these 3 are adjacent to each other. These 3 are adjacent to each other. So from here we draw the result that these 2, A, B, C, these 3 will never be together. If they are opposite to, if they are at alternate position, means that is not correct. Okay. So B and C are at opposite position, but they are touch here, they are consecutive number, so this is wrong. E and B, possibility is there because they are on opposite side, and D and E is not possible because they are adjacent to each other, and here it is showing they are opposite to each other. And this figure I am drawing here for you. Opposite to A is C. We apply Z method. Opposite to A is C, which is not possible. So our answer is second one. Check the answer. Answer is second. Okay. I hope you understand this. Let's move to 6th question now. This type of question asked in way back in 2013 or previous to that. But I am covering all type of questions, so I have taken this question. This is very good question asked in re-examination morning shift, and this question says, if the difference between the odd number of dots of opposite surface is 6, then which figure is correct? And your figure are, okay, instead of number, dot is there. In original question, 8 dot, here 10 dot. You are understanding now what I am trying to say? Dots is there. Okay. So in this question it says odd number of dot. Question itself says the question odd number of dots, means even are not possible. So this is correct answer. Answer is 3. Okay. In the question, in the examination they ask very simple question. But if 5th option is there, so which is correct now? So you are asking for what is the real concept behind this. So if odd dice is asked, the number we have to assume is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, and difference is of 6, so opposite to 1 is 7, opposite to 3 is 9, opposite to 5 is 11. This is solution. So 1 is never be opposite to 7, so this is wrong, and this is correct answer in that case. Okay, let's check the answer. Answer is third one. Okay. If even dice is there, so number we have to assume is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And normal dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number are there. Okay. Let's move to next question. Question number 7. Okay. This is also asked in 2013 re-examination, but in evening shift. And your options are, this is similar to previous one. So if the difference between number of dots of opposite surface is 3, then which figure is correct? Here, which is correct option? Here they are asking for, there is not mentioned that it is even or odd, means it is normal dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are number for normal dice, and difference is 3, means opposite to 1 is 4, opposite to 2 is 5, opposite to 3 is 6. This is our combination, means this is not possible because they are greater than 6. So our answer is this. But if fifth option is there, now which is correct one? So we get the solution, means this is wrong. Two opposite number can never be seen together. So answer is fourth one. Okay. Now we are moving to 8th question. These are different type of question, and this is their option. So question says, if 1 is adjacent to 2, 4, 6, find the true position. Question says, if 1 is adjacent to 2, 4, suppose 6 is here. Means, what it means? It means either opposite to 1 is 3 or 5. If 3 is there, 5 is here, and if 5 is here, 3 is there. Means opposite to 1 is 3 or 5. Okay? Okay. So what it says means 3 and 5 are adjacent. 3 and 5 are adjacent. And one option is there that 3 and 5 are 3 is adjacent to 5. And other option is 2 is opposite to 6. 2 is opposite to 6 is possible. But if 4 is here, 6 is here, then 2 is adjacent to 6. It is not possible. It is not 100% true. 1 is adjacent to 3. 1 is adjacent to 3 in one case, but in other case 1 is opposite to 3. So this is not 100% correct. 3 is opposite to 5. 3 is opposite to 5. It is not possible because they are adjacent. Okay. So this is definitely wrong. So our answer is answer 2. Move to 9th question. If 1 is adjacent to 2, 3 and 5, find the true option. 4 is adjacent to 6, 1 is adjacent to 6, 2 is adjacent to 5, 1 is adjacent to 4. These are the options. So according to question, 1 is adjacent to 2, 3 and 5. Okay, means opposite to 1 is 6. If 6 is there, 4 is here, and if 4 is here, 6 is here. Okay, means opposite to 1 is 6 or 4. Okay, and it also says 6 and 4 are adjacent. 4 is adjacent to 6. This is correct. 4 is adjacent to 6. 1 is adjacent to 6. 1 is adjacent to 6 in one case, and in other case 4 is adjacent. So it is not 100% true. 2 is adjacent to 5. 2 is opposite here. So it is not true. 1 is adjacent to 4. 1 is adjacent to 4 in one case, but in other case 6 is there. So this is also 4. If 1 is opposite to 2, find the true option. Sorry, answer is shown earlier. So for us, concept is important. So 1 is opposite to 2. Question says 1 is opposite to 2. 1 is opposite to 2. Okay. So in these 4 places, 4, 3, 5, 6, any of the 4 number is there. Okay. So which is correct? 2 is adjacent to 6. 2 is adjacent to 6. Here one case is there. It is every time. It will happen every time. Either 6 is here, 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 here. Okay. 3 is adjacent to 4. 3 is adjacent to 4 is one possible case is there. But if four is here, then 3 is adjacent to 4. But if 4 is here, suppose, and 6 is here, 3 is opposite to 6, 4. So this is not true. 4 is opposite to 6. 4 is opposite, but here adjacent, it is at adjacent position. So this is not correct. 3 is opposite to 5. 3 is adjacent here. So this is not. So answer is 1. Okay. I hope you guys like this lecture, and thank you very much. Okay. Bye bye.